Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to import individual activities or resources from one Moodle shell to another. So the most important thing is that we need to begin in the Moodle shell where we would like the new activities or resources to be added. So here I am in the Digital Collaboration Faculty Fellowship shell. Say I want to import activities from a different Moodle shell into this one. I go into the Moodle shell, and then in Settings, I'm going to choose Import. After I choose Import, I will have a list of courses, and I can choose the course where I want to import the activities or resources from. So I'm going to choose this Writing 80 class, and then I will click Continue. At this point, I'm just going to click Next. And notice I now have all of my activities and resources from the Writing 80 shell listed here. Now this is a place where I could import the entire shell if I wanted to. But if I'm just trying to focus on one specific activity or maybe two specific activities, then I'm going to click None here, and that will remove all of the checkboxes next to each individual activity or resource. So then I'm going to find the activity that I would like to import from one shell to another. So say I would like to import this lesson and practice about verbs. Notice that I cannot click on the box to select this until I click on the block. So this was in the April 7th to April 13th week, for instance. So I need to select the block before it allows me to select an individual item. Then I can select the individual item. So I'm going to just import this one activity. If I wanted to import more than one, I could check more than one box at this point. And then I'll scroll all the way down and click Next. And this is where I have a chance to review. All of these X's show that I am not going to import those activities, and I'll look for my green check mark to show yes, here we have it. This is the lesson and practice about verbs. That's the one item that I want to import. So I'll continue to scroll all the way down and click on Perform Import. Sometimes this process takes a couple of seconds. I've noticed that it takes a little bit longer than some of the other types of activities that we might do on Moodle. But it's certainly shorter than recreating an activity. So the import is now complete, so I have clicked Continue, and it takes me back to the shell. And inside the shell I can scroll down and find the new activity. Here it is. Here is my new activity that I have imported right here, the lesson and practice 2 verbs. And at this point I can move it, I can relocate it, I can rename it, or I can adapt it. So it's that easy to be able to import one individual activity or resource from one Moodle shell to another.